Yo, what is going on, ROR fam? Super pumped about this video because I'm gonna spill a little sauce on you guys. Yeah, I got a little information that I'm gonna show you guys on the secret strategy that works pretty damn good. I would say it's 90% accurate, if not 100% accurate. Now, I can't say it's 100% accurate when it's really not. But I'm gonna show you guys in just a second exactly how to use a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, and a sell stop. I hope that a lot of you already know what this is, but for new traders that don't know a lot of information, this is gonna be a very good video for you. So for the giveaway on this video, I wanna give away $25, and all I wanna know is what's a strategy that has worked extremely well for you? Comment that below and I'll choose a winner a week from today. Good luck, guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm also doing giveaways on my Instagram practically every single week. Also add me on Snapchat if you could so you can stay connected with me. And for my new website that just dropped, it's out. It is literally so beautiful. I want you guys to check out that website. There should be a link in the description. And if you guys are more on the new side of a trader, check out my course that's 100% free, the link in the description. And also I do have a free group chat where you're gonna be able to get access to trades that I'm taking on an every week basis. But without further ado, let's dive into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and a sell stop. And I'm gonna show you the strategy that is very accurate that you guys are gonna love without a doubt. Let's go.
I need a bust down bitch with a bust down wrist. Get to it, baby, suck this dick. Talking money, baby girl, let's get rich. Young boss, I can take no loss. To some else, so I know what it costs. Diamonds round my neck, so you know I love the flex. Getting money, always thinking what's next. Baby girl, come give me that neck. Run it up, so I can fuck it up.
Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Really pumped up about this video. We're gonna be going over sell limits, buy stops, and sell stops. This is really good because when you're using buy limits and sell limits, you're gonna be using these to catch really good entries when you're trading. And a lot of you probably do not know how to use this. So it's completely fine if you don't know how to use this. That's why I'm here to help you guys out. So let's dive into my computer. I circled these examples to show you guys. So the best thing that you can do, or let me explain like what buy limits and sell limits are, but one really good indicator that you guys are gonna be able to use is the Fibonacci retracement. So I'm gonna show you guys with sell limit right here. So overall with the sell limit is, usually we'd be in a downtrend, and when we're in a downtrend, you guys can see that it forms lower lows, lower highs. Whenever you're seeing a lower high, that's a really good opportunity to have a sell limit. This is an example. Obviously, you can use sell limits for other situations, but I'm gonna show you guys in this example how to use it with lower highs and with higher lows. Okay, so right here, you guys can see that we have a lower low, and right here, we have a lower high. So we're gonna get the fibs, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the 100% level from the previous lower high, and then we're gonna bring the 0% level to the previous lower low. So right here is our lower high, or it would be a higher high since this is just starting out as a downtrend, but right here is the lower low. And then the lower high is overall where we're looking for an entry at. So with the Fibonacci retracement, I actually have a video on how to use the Fibonacci's. I did it recently a couple months back, so if you guys need an example on how to use this tool, I give you guys everything, my parameters, how I have my fib set up, all that good information. It's on that video, so check it out. So right here, you guys can see that we had a lower low and a lower high. Now right here, the lower high, usually when I'm looking for a lower high, I'm looking for it to hit the 50% level, the 618, the 705, or the 79. And when it does hit these levels, these are when I'm gonna have a sell limit. So right here, it barely hit the 50% level. So we're gonna replay this right now. We're gonna hit this replay, and we're gonna go right here. Okay? We're gonna play it back, boom. Okay, that's when we have a bullish candle right there. So usually when I see a lower low form, and I see a reversal candle like right here, a spinning top, this is when I'm gonna look for an entry on my Fibonacci's. I'd pull my fibs up, swing high to swing low. Let's make the 0% a little bit better, okay? And I'm gonna look for a retrace on one of these levels. So usually a lot of the time what I do is I combine the Fibonacci's with the 20 length moving average. So our 20 length moving average right here is this blue line. Okay, so we can see that we have our 20 MA right here, and look to where it's lining up. A lot of the time the 20 MA might be at the 618, and that's where I'd aim. But for right now, you can see the 20 MA is right between the 50% and the 382. So I would have a sell limit set probably in between the 382 and the 50% right there, okay? Then I'm gonna set up my position right here, get a short position, that's where my entry is gonna be, okay? So I'm gonna have my stop loss at the 7-9 level right here. And then obviously I usually go for a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So once we see this say 3.0, that's where I'm gonna have my TP. So I'm honestly gonna have it right here at the 618. That's my key level I'm looking for. Okay, perfect. Now let's see how this plays out. Pretty much a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. Click it, boom. Entry was hit right there. You guys can see our entry, we're now active in the markets. Now it's starting to break down, boom. Literally within 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, it hit our take profit for, what is this? I can't see right there. Oh, right here is our TP. I was looking at the entry right here. 416 pips. So we could have caught 400, or actually that's 41 pips, excuse me, since we're looking at gold right here. So 41 pips in 25 minutes is not bad at all. Okay, now let's exit out of this. And we're gonna look for another scenario for a lower low or an entry, excuse me. Okay, let me delete this in the fibs. All right, perfect. Here's another good scenario right here. Okay, so right here, you guys can see that we have a lower high and then a new lower low. So the same thing, let's get a replay tool. Let's start it out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, once I see a bullish candle like that form, now I know it's gonna retrace for a lower high. So let's get the fibs, swing high to swing low, extend into the future. And look, we're gonna look again where our moving averages are. So our 20 MA is right at the 618, the 50%. So I'm gonna have a sell limit right here at the 50%. I'm gonna set up my short position. Here's my entry. Stops I'm gonna have at the 100% level just to be safe, because the moving averages are pretty close. It could break past the moving average just to retest and stop people out, all retail traders, and then go lower. Okay, then we're gonna have our TPs, let's say right here. We're not gonna go for too big of a take profit, okay? Because we are oversold on the stochastics already. So let's see how this plays out, if we're right or not. Boom, all right, entry. Hit our moving average perfectly. We're entered in the markets. We had a sell limit at the 50%. Okay, there's our retest. Now we're breaking down to the downside. Okay, there we go. So close to TPs. Hit that TP, baby. Come on. You know you want to. Oh no. There it is, take profits hit. So it took a good amount of time to hit our take profits there, but overall take profits were hit. Okay, next scenario, we're gonna go over a buy limit. But I'm telling you guys, the fibs work amazing for sell limits and buy limits, and also the moving average as well. You guys saw how the 20 MA works really good. Okay, so let's exit out of this, and we have our buy limit scenario right here. Okay, so we have a higher high right here, and we have a higher low. And then we're also gonna try this higher high with this higher low. Okay, so let's do this one first. Same thing, we're gonna get our fibs from swing high or swing low to swing high. So we're gonna get our 100% level from support right here, 0% level right there, and then we're gonna do a replay. Okay, so we broke above resistance, we're gonna play it back. Okay, this is when I'd start looking for my fibs. So I'd bring my fibs from swing low to swing high. I should have done this before we brought our fibs. So in this scenario, boom, we have a higher high and we're gonna look for a higher low. So we're gonna get our fibs, swing high to swing low. And then our moving average, same thing. I'm gonna have a buy limit at the 50%. We're gonna set this up, okay? We're gonna go long this time, not short. And then since our moving average is so close to the 50%, I'm gonna just have my stops right there. I'm gonna have my TPs at the -2.7 on the fibs right there. Okay, let's play it back. Let's actually move this in right there. Perfect. Okay, let's play it back and see if our entries are hit. Boom, okay. Entries are hit. Boom, we're active, starting to push up. There we go, we're super close to our TP. So it's good, that's what I'm telling you guys, you wanna have like your stops kind of far away from the moving averages, because sometimes we'll retest it. It barely missed our TP right there by probably a couple of pips. Yeah, by like 10 pips, 20 pips. Okay, let's play it back. Okay, let's see if it's gonna hit our TP. There it goes, TP's hit right there. Boom. And there's even one more retrace right there. So let's look at one more buy limit scenario, and then we'll do buy stops and sell stops. Or actually, we're gonna go into buy stops and sell stops. I don't want to have this video too long. Okay. So with buy stops and sell stops, let's go to like GBP JPY so I can show you guys. We're gonna go on a minute 15. Okay, so with buy stops and sell stops, let's say we're already in a downtrend. We're waiting for the market to come and hit a certain price and then activate us into a sell. So we're like going with the trend a lot of the time. So right here, what I do with buy and sell stops is I'm looking at support and resistance. So right here, you guys can see that we have the zone of consolidation. That's overall what I'm looking for, is when the markets are consolidating. So we have the zone of consolidation that we're looking at right here. I would have, overall, I recognize that we're in a downtrend. I would have a sell stop right here, okay? Let's make this green. So that's where my sell stop entry is. And once it goes and hits that, it will activate us into a sell. So I see this market, I see how it's playing out, boom, I have my sell stop right here. So I'm gonna have my sell stop set, and then I'm gonna have my take profits or my stop loss at previous resistance. So short, here's our entry. I'm gonna have my stops right here at previous resistance, and then my take profits at my next zone. So you guys can see, let's replay this. Okay, we're not entered yet. One more retest. There we go. So we're in the markets right now. We're gonna see if our TPs are hit. So within about 45 minutes, our take profits were hit. Okay, let's look at a scenario for a buy stop. And I'm gonna show you guys this little secret strategy you guys are gonna like. Okay, let's go back in time. So with a buy stop, we're looking for resistance. We want to go hit that resistance and then go up. So we're consolidating throughout the zone right here. We have the zone where we're consolidating. That's what we're looking at in the market. Our highest point of resistance will be right there. So we're gonna have a buy stop right here. And then I'd usually have my sell stop. We're gonna look right here before it broke out. So we're already in an uptrend, we can see that. This is our buy stop where we have it. So I would have my entry right here. And then for my stop loss, I'm gonna have it at the bottom of the zone of consolidation right there. TPs, let's aim for like right here. Okay. Where's it break out? And I wanna let you guys know something. Whenever you see the market consolidating, the longer that it consolidates, that means that a bigger breakout is gonna happen. Just a little trick for you guys. Okay, there's a breakout, we're activated. Boom, take profits hit right there. Okay, just like that. Okay, now here's the secret strategy I want to show you guys. When I see zones of consolidation, when the market is consolidating like right here, what I'll do is I'll find the lowest point of support on that consolidation zone. So right here. And then I'll find the resistance, the highest point of resistance right there. And then I'll have a buy and a sell stop set, okay? Because at that consolidation zone, usually when it has that point of support or resistance, it usually won't retest it, especially the deepest zone right here. So you can see that it hit this zone right here, but the next time it didn't go as deep. And then the next time it didn't go as deep, and then the last time it didn't go as deep as it did right here or right here. And then when I have my sell stop and buy stop, for my buy stop, the stop loss for my buy stop is where my sell stop is. And then my stop loss for my sell stop is where my buy stop is. So guys, try out that hack. It definitely works pretty damn good. But guys, let's go into the giveaway. The last video that we did was 3 things I look for in a trade. And I'm gonna mute this so it doesn't autoplay. Let's get that. Okay, let's see who's gonna win. And I totally forgot if there's 1 or 2 winners, so I'm gonna just pick 2 winners. I'm definitely gonna have it more figured out next time. I'm all over the place right now, guys, sorry. Okay guys, let's start it. First winner is gonna be Miracle. Congrats. Next winner, Anonymous. Congratulations. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.